Okay students, now in this video we have to discuss sum of measures of exterior angle of a polygon. Sum of measure of exterior angles of a polygon. Now in the previous video we have discussed this angle sum property of interior angle of a polygon. Some angle sum property of interior angle of a polygon with n sides. That means the angle sum property of interior angles which change with total number of sides of a polygon. Done. So sum of interior angle was n minus 2 into 180 degree. As number of sides of polygon change, angle sum property change in case of interior angle. But the sum measure of exterior angle of a polygon says that whatever be the number of sides, that means irrespective of total number of sides of a polygon, the angle sum property of exterior angle, that means sum of measure of exterior angle is always 360 degree. Sum of measure of all the angles of a polygon with n number of sides is always 360 degree. Whether it is triangle, whether it is quadrilateral, whether it is pentagon, hexagon, whatever the type of polygon is there, the sum of measure of exterior angle of a polygon will always be a 360 degree. Done. For example, consider this is one polygon with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 sides. This is pentagon. For this pentagon, this angle A, B, C, D and E are the exterior angles. So sum of measure of all this exterior angle is always 360 degree. A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 360 degree. Angle sum property of exterior angle of a polygon irrespective of number of sides, that is always equal to 360 degree. 5 sides are there, whatever be the number of sides, sum of measure of exterior angle of this polygon will always be a 360 degree. For example, if only 3 sides are there, here angle A, B and C are the exterior angles. So here sum of measure of this exterior angle, that is A plus B plus C, is equal to 360 degree. That is angle sum property for the exterior angle of a triangle is always 360 degree. Sum of measure of interior angle of a triangle is always 180 degree. That is interior angle property. Here it's the angle sum property for the exterior angle irrespective of total number of sides, that is always 360 degree. Done. For example, this is one quadrilateral. So here sum of measure of all the exterior angle of this quadrilateral is always 360 degree. So it's A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360 degree. So here angle A, B, C and D are the exterior angles. These angles can be considered as the interior angle of this quadrilateral. These angles are the interior angles of this triangle. If you consider sum of measure of this interior angle 1, 2 and 3, so it's a 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 180 degree. Here for this triangle total 3 sides are there. For this triangle, this angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 can be considered as the interior angle. So angle sum property of interior angle says that for triangle their sum is always 180 degree. Sum of measure of interior angle of a triangle is always 180 degree. But the sum of measure of exterior angle of a polygon irrespective of number of sides, that means this angle A plus B plus C, which are the exterior angle for this triangle, their sum is always 360 degree. Clear students? Same way for this quadrilateral, this angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are exterior angles. But suppose this one angle 1, 2, 3 and angle 4, these are the interior angle. So angle sum property for the interior angle, that is always equal to 360 degree. So for the quadrilateral, angle sum property of interior angle and angle sum property of exterior angle will be same. For this pentagon, sum of measure of all the exterior angles A plus B plus C plus D plus E equal to 360 degree. But angle sum property of this pentagon for this interior angle, that is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. So here total number of sides are 5. So it's a 5 minus 2, 3 into 180 degree. So it's always 540 degree. So sum of measure of this interior angles, suppose this is angle 1, angle 2 3, angle 4 and angle 5. So angle sum property of this interior angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, that is always equal to 540 degree. So for this pentagon, if we consider sum of angles of these exterior angles A plus B plus C plus D plus E, that is always equal to 360 degree. And if we consider these interior angles 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, which are the interior angles, so their angle sum property is 540. Clear, students? So this is one of the most important concept, that is sum of measure of exterior angles. That means whatever be the number of sides, irrespective of total number of sides of a polygon, the sum of measures of exterior angle is always 360 degree. Done? So pause this video and note it down.